Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to buy travel insurance online. In this video, we will show you a detailed overview of a simple and convenient platform where you can easily get the travel insurance coverage you need for your trip. The website we're exploring offers a range of plans for different types of travelers, and today we're going to highlight the benefits and options available. First, you'll notice the user-friendly layout of the homepage. Right at the top, you'll find an easy-to-navigate menu that helps you explore the different services they offer, including trip cancellation coverage, emergency medical protection, and even adventure sports insurance. We'll dive into each of these, so you know exactly what's available to you. Next, we'll show you how to quickly get a quote. You simply enter your trip details, such as destination and travel dates, and in just a few seconds, the site provides a range of insurance options. These options vary based on coverage levels and pricing, so you can choose a plan that best suits your budget and travel needs. One of the key benefits of this platform is that it clearly outlines the terms of each plan, making it easy to compare and decide. One of the standout features of this service is the comprehensive customer support and clear policy terms, which give you the confidence to pick the right plan without feeling overwhelmed. You don't have to worry about hidden fees or unclear clauses, and that's a huge advantage for travelers who need a straightforward experience. If you're looking for a reliable service to purchase your travel insurance, I personally recommend using BHTP Traveling. It offers trusted, affordable options, and you can easily navigate through their website. Check the link in the description for a smooth experience with BHTP Traveling. As we continue exploring, we'll cover the pros and cons of different insurance options, such as whether you should get coverage for trip interruption, lost baggage, or just stick with medical protection. Each section of the site is designed to give you a clear understanding of what you're buying, and we'll highlight the cost of each plan so you know exactly what to expect. Now that you have a better understanding of how this website works, take the time to browse their insurance plans, and remember to refer back to the link in the description if you want a trusted recommendation for your travel insurance needs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more useful tips, and check out the link in the description for your travel insurance.